Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up, connect and pair your Sonos Era 100 speaker with any Android device or iOS device. So honestly, it looks the same for these two devices. All you have to do is just to download the Sonos application for both devices from the Play Store or App Store. But let me show you how to do this step by step. So first of all, when you open your device, you have to plug this cable at the bottom of this speaker, and also the second, then for sure we have to plug to the power supply. And then when you do this, you can find this small indicator above this Sonos marking, and it's just blinking like that. Take a look. It means that our device is actually in the setup mode. So what we have to do right now is to turn on the Wi-Fi on our device and then open the Play Store or App Store and get the Sonos application. It's actually this application. So you have to click install. Now just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be finished. Okay, and right now we can open it. There we can find the first information about this application. So click to view terms of the use, scroll down and click accept. And right now we have to just set up the new system. How to find out that you have the new system? So basically this icon will start blinking like that. If you have the old system, if you have this speaker from the second hand and someone was connected with the speaker and didn't perform the reset, so you will have right here the white light after turning it on. So let's go to the setup the new system. I have to just input my data, the login data. So if you don't have the Sonos account, you have to create it right now. But if you have, just input your data, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Click continue. And of course, I just lost the Wi-Fi connection, so I have to click try again. There we go. And I have to input my password, so I'm gonna do this out of the camera. Okay, I did it, and click to sign in. And that's actually a little bit interesting stuff that each time I try to log in with this application, I lost the Wi-Fi connection. So I'm not sure if there's like problem with my phone, with my Android, but take a look. It just keeps disconnecting. So click to sign in one more time. Yeah, that's my account. So click continue. We have to enable location and the Bluetooth. There we go. Click done. And it looks like I'm connected back with my account, and here we have the quick notification about Era 100 speaker. Click to continue, accept all the permissions. Right now it is trying to connect with the speaker, so just put it close to your iPhone or Android phone. As you can see, we'll get right now an audio pin. Okay, let's click continue. There we go. As you can hear, there's some kind of a notification. And as you can see, I'm connected with this network, so I have to input also the password to this network. So let's do this. Okay, looks like I just input the wrong password, so let me do this one more time. Okay, let's try to repeat. And here we have to perform the first setup, so I'm gonna put it into the office, click continue. And as you can see, in my case, there's even the new update, so I just have to click update. And right here below we can find information that it is update on the way, so we have to wait. And also this indicator is blinking like that, white and red, so just wait. Okay, and as you can see right now the setup is finished. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.